Scene script. Have you ever pondered the sheer power of a lightning bolt? What if we could harness it? Quite an electrifying thought, isn't it? Let's delve into it. Lightning, a natural marvel, is a massive electrostatic discharge between the Earth and the storm clouds above. This awe-inspiring phenomenon holds an immense energy potential. To give you a sense, a single bolt of lightning carries around 1 billion joules of energy. That's enough to power nearly 200,000 slices of toast, or even light up a small town for a few seconds. Now, imagine if we could capture this energy, the benefits for the energy sector could be revolutionary. We're talking about a potential game changer here, a renewable energy source that could significantly reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and contribute to a sustainable future. The concept is electrifying, isn't it? But how can we possibly capture this energy? Stay tuned to find out. Capturing the energy from a lightning bolt is no small feat. But imagine the possibilities if we could. Just how do we go about this task? Well, the key lies in channeling the lightning's electrical charge into a form of usable power. Consider a lightning bolt as a giant natural battery, discharging a phenomenal amount of energy in a split second. The trick is to capture this instant discharge and convert it into a steady stream of power. Scientists are exploring methods such as using large capacitors or supercapacitors to store this sudden burst of energy. Countries like the United States, Germany, and Japan are leading the charge in this exciting field. They're investing in research to explore the science behind harvesting lightning and turning it into a viable energy source. But as with any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges. Yet, these challenges are not insurmountable, and the potential benefits to the energy sector are immense. Harnessing the storm could well be the future of sustainable energy. Harnessing lightning energy is not without its obstacles. And as thrilling as the idea sounds, it's essential to remember that we're dealing with one of nature's most unpredictable and formidable forces. Lightning, with its capricious nature, doesn't strike at the same place twice often, making it incredibly difficult for us to predict and capture. Beyond unpredictability, there's the issue of infrastructure. The sheer magnitude of energy in a single lightning bolt is tremendous, necessitating infrastructure that can withstand it and store it efficiently. That's a mammoth task in itself, given our current technology. However, the challenges don't deter us. On the contrary, they spur us on, pushing us to innovate and explore potential solutions. We're looking at advanced prediction models, exploring materials that can endure the extreme conditions, and researching into efficient energy storage systems. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits to the energy sector make this a pursuit worth exploring. So, let's keep dreaming, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where lightning storms are a source of power, not just a spectacle. This is not a distant dream, but a possible reality. The energy sector could be revolutionized by such a shift. Not only would we be harnessing an incredibly potent and until now wasted form of energy, but we would be redefining our relationship with nature itself. The power of a single bolt of lightning could light up a small town for a day. Multiply that by the thousands of storms that occur each day around the world. And we're talking about a potentially game-changing resource. This wouldn't just be a boon for the energy sector. It could help us combat climate change, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and usher in a new era of sustainable, clean energy. As we stand on the brink of this exciting frontier, let's remember that curiosity, innovation, and determination can turn the impossible into the achievable. If you enjoyed this electrifying journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Together, we can illuminate the world of science.